vessel in which you find yourself experiencing the sound of these words coming into your ears. You have this wonderful instrument that is simply there to loan itself to you, that you may gain a valuable understanding of your true nature. For the body in and of itself already understands its true nature. It already understands its true nature. In recognizing and coming to the understanding that your nature is what you are here to understand, that you are here to apply that nature in how it affects your experience of existence. The undisturbed mind is the most intimate mind